Hello everyone. Now let us see the preparation of 1 normal or 1 molar sulfuric acid from the concentrated sulfuric acid that is given. So we will take here the easiest method to prepare 1 normal sulfuric acid, that is we will determine the factor. So the informations that we have are the molecular weight of sulfuric acid that we know is 98.08 grams per mole. Then we have specific gravity, that is equal to 1.84, and percentage assay is equal to 98%. Okay, so based on the first method, or we say the easiest method that we take, we calculate the volume equivalent. So if we want to determine the factor, we know the factor is actually 1 molar is equal to 1000 ml is equivalent to how much grams or ml we take. Here we have 98.08 grams. Sulfuric acid is a liquid, so we cannot take this many grams. So we will determine the volume equivalent to this. Okay, so we have the equation. We know density is equal to mass upon volume. Okay, we know this equation. So here we want to calculate volume. So volume will be equal to mass upon density. Mass is the molar mass here. So we have 98.08 upon the density we take 1.84. Okay. So calculating this, we get the volume is equal to 53.03 ml. Okay, this much volume we get. Now this much volume, it is contained in we say 98% assay. Okay, so we write here 98% of H2SO4 consists of 53.03 ml. Then 100% of H2SO4 will consist of how much ml? So that will be equal to 53.03 into 100 divided by 98. Calculating this, we get 54.38 ml. 54.38 ml, we dilute it with 1000 ml of distilled water, and hence we get 1 molar of the sulfuric acid here. Hence we get the factor very easily by these two steps. Okay, so we can write the factor now. So we have the factor 1 molar 1000 ml, it is equal to 54.4. we can write approximately, it is equivalent to 4. Now in terms of normality, if we want to calculate, the factor will be different. Okay, now from this factor we can write the molarity as much we require. Say if we require 0.1 molar, we will take 5.4 ml. Okay, now similarly if we want to calculate the normality, it will be little bit different because H2SO4 is a dibasic acid. So normality, if we want to calculate, the factor we can write is equal to 27.2 ml because it is a dibasic acid. So we know the relation between these two, that is molarity into molecular weight is equal to normality into equivalent weight. So when we want to calculate molarity of the sulfuric acid, how much it will be equivalent, we know it will be 98 is equal to normality into 49. So molarity will be half of the normality, or we say normality will be twice the molarity. So from this we have the volume required for calculating one normal 1000 ml solution is 27.2 ml, whereas for molar solution the factor it is equal to 54.4 ml. So this is the factor for the sulfuric acid, 1 molar or 1 normal solution. This you can remember. 1 molar solution, it will be equal to 2 normal solution, right? 2 normal solution. 1 molar H2SO4 is equivalent to 2 normal H2SO4. This we can remember. Okay. Thank you.